Hello students, welcome to all of you in maths class. Students, we are on chapter 3, that is types of software. In previous video we have understand about what is application software and different types of application software. Okay, I hope you all are understand proper way what is system software, application software and all their types and different terms related to that. Today we will discuss in this session the examples of different application software. So let's come and start this class. Here student, in application software there were general purpose software and today we will discuss about general purpose software because it's used by all user and it is really installed in all the system that we have worked. Okay, so today we will discuss about all this software. So here the first one software is word processing software. Students, as name suggests, word processing software, that means in this software there is the processing or we create the document related to only their words and we create here different document with the different formatting features of word. Okay, so this is called your word processing software and we have worked on different word processing software, that is Microsoft Word, and in this session in your book the given OpenOffice Writer. Okay, so here in this application software, general purpose software, we create document with the processing of text. Okay, and here the function is multiple column, printing marks, text tool, number and bulleted list, use of graphics and line spacing. All these you got in this word processing software. So here student, processing of textual material and creation of organized and flawless document happen to be the more common and widely used task of a personal computer. When we have a personal computer and all these software have installed, then there the first creation is in our MS Word. So this is the example of your general purpose software, that is word processing software. Okay, so word, अगर ये पूछा जाता कि what is word processing software, which types of software comes in this software, that is related to word processing. For example, MS Word, OpenOffice Writer, and here the other software या word processor program given to you, Word Perfect and AB Word. Okay, so these are all about word processing software. Now next the term is presentation software, and before that we will discuss about electronic spreadsheet software. In that type of software, here the features given to you for mathematical purpose. Student, in word processing software there is the terms related to your document, text processing, word processing. In spreadsheet software we create our document related to our mathematical work. If we want to create table, marks list or salary related detail, accounts related detail, that all are done in spreadsheet software. So here the some example that you have worked on spreadsheet software, that is MS Excel. Okay, and here the other application software related to your spreadsheet software, that is Lotus 123, Excel, OpenOffice.org, Calc, and here are other the Calc, OpenOffice.org. So these are the spreadsheet software basically for related to the document creation, that is related to our mathematical function. Because in this software we got so many formulas to create the complex mathematical worksheet. Okay. Now, our next is presentation software. Presentation software, as your name suggests, presentation with the software that enable you to make presentation. For example, if there is any seminar or in your school campus, any type of smart class, in that smart class, with the help of most of the teacher teach you with the help of presentation, that is implemented through presentation software. And you listen the name of PowerPoint. Okay, so PowerPoint is the mostly widely used presentation software in which we create slide. ठीक है, हम presentation software में क्या create करते हैं? Slide. Word processing software, there the creation of the document with the help of pages. ठीक है, वहाँ हम पेज क्रिएट करते हैं और पेज क्रिएट करने के बाद जो है वो आपका कंप्लीट डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार होता है. बट इन स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर देयर वी गॉट द सीट, वर्कशीट हमें प्रोवाइड की जाती है. ठीक है, एंड थ्रू दैट वर्कशीट वी क्रिएट आवर वर्कबुक. एंड इन प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर वी गॉट द स्लाइड. ठीक है, जिसपे हम वर्क करते हैं. जब आप प्रेजेंटेशन पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन करते हैं तो जो आपका स्क्रीन पे विजिबल होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्लाइड. ओके, वहाँ हम उसको पेज नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर के सेंस में हम क्या बोलेंगे? स्लाइड. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन 2, 3, 4, 5 स्लाइड्स यू हैव टू मेक ऑन एनी ऑफ द टॉपिक, देन दिस कंप्लीट program is called your presentation. Okay, and then you are able to make presentation in front of audience, in front of teacher or in front of any of the event. Okay, so most widely used presentation software जहाँ हमें टीम वर्क में अगर हमें वर्क करना है, वहाँ पे हमें लोगों को बताना है अबाउट आवर प्रोजेक्ट, अबाउट आवर क्राइटेरिया. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे हम बेसिकली प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर का हम यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है, सो देयर वी क्रिएट आवर प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, जो हमारा टास्क है वो हम क्रिएट करेंगे और उसको हम प्रेजेंट कराएंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एंड हियर we know about more the software that create professional looking visual ads is called presentation graphics software. ठीक है, and mostly it is used by professional work where different site create and we give the presentation in front of any of the ओके. तो यानी प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू हम एक नहीं इन मास कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है, मास कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं क्योंकि प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इसीलिए क्रिएट किया जाता है कि एक या एक से अधिक लोगों को बताया जा सके. ठीक है, नाउ द लास्ट वन इज डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट system. That is very very important, student. Database management system, and here the examples are OpenOffice.org, Base, MS Access and Oracle. So database management system is a package that can create and handle, manage bulk of stored data. Student, have you ever thought about when we click on Google search engine, you got any of the information very easily? Why? It is just because of database management system, because all the information related to every word, every letter up to date, it is saved in database management system. Database, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये database में save किया जाता है and you got the any of the information very easily. If there is any connection required, insert any value want to insert, delete, update, that all are done in database system. Okay, and through that system we can save the bulk amount of data. ठीक है, and here the example is MS ऑफिस का जो पैकेज है उसमें जो आपको डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, द नेम इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस. एंड आई होप सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट सॉफ्टवेयर. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज used for database management system because in that software we save our data or bulk of the data. ठीक है, and so that we got the any of the information very easily. ठीक है, तो database management system where we use these types of software application program where we want to save our detail in the software in bulk amount. For example, your school campus, your details, everything related to previous session students detail also save in the system, that is in the database में ही save है, ठीक है, and any of the student got any of the record easily, ठीक है. So database management system that is used for store bulk amount of data. And here database refers to collection of logically related data, because in database system we can insert, delete and update any of the record. A database system is a computer or collection of computer program that provide the necessary tools to create and manipulate your data in database, ठीक है. So for storing bulk amount of data we use the database management system, and here we call that term record, ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो हम बात करेंगे, जो हमारा डाटा सेव हो रहा है, that is called here record. Now student, we discuss here about specific purpose application software, and specific purpose application software that is for special work, specific work. And here the examples are accounting management software, reservation software, inventory control software system and billing system. Okay, so here the first one is accounting management software, that is for account purpose. For example, in school campus accounting office, ठीक है, in different shopping या हम कह लें malls, ठीक है, तो there this type of software used by that organization. Reservation system, here reservation system, the system that are able to make reserve of the different user or different client, ठीक है. अब reservation system that are used in reservation of train, reservation of bus, online, ठीक है, online booking, online hotel booking. तो there we use the reservation types of system, क्योंकि reservation types of system there you got a form online or offline related to your name, age and place, ठीक है, name of the city where you want to go, ठीक है, boarding, destination, date, these all things, ठीक है. तो ऐसा आपका ये रिजर्वेशन सिस्टम वाला फॉर्म होगा. अकाउंटिंग मैनेजमेंट जो सॉफ्टवेयर है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू अकाउंट पर्पस, ठीक है. तो देयर आवर टॉपिक विल चेंज, देयर द एम्प्लॉय, नेम ऑफ द एम्प्लॉय, ठीक है, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, इन विच ईयर सी इनरोल, ही और सी इनरोल इन दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ठीक है, मंथली पेमेंट, yearly payment, any other beneficial detail that able by pay by the organization. These all are the terms related to your accounting software. Okay, next is HR management software, that is human resource management software, that is main the work focus on the terms related to your human relation. Okay student, there were big companies and there the HR management system, different HR are कह सकते हैं recruit in that organization for human relation purpose. And here the software is attendance system, payroll system, ठीक है. Attendance system is the software that contain the record of the attendance of all the employees in that session. And the next is payroll system, that is the record of the employees detail, working out employees, ठीक है. तो reporting purpose all information, calculation, statutory जो आपका payment है, maternity और sick pay है, all things related. जैसे payroll कह रहा ना कि उनको मतलब ऐसा कौन कौन सा चीज़ जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से पे किया जाता है, दैट एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू पेमेंट. अब वो किस तरह का पेमेंट हो, अलग अलग तरह का. फॉर एग्जांपल रिपोर्ट, पेरोल इंफॉर्मेशन, कैलकुलेटिंग स्टेटरी पे, ठीक है, मैटरनिटी और सिक पे, इस तरह का, ठीक है. तो दिस सिस्टम फॉर पेरोल सिस्टम. एंड अटेंडेंस सिस्टम दैट इज अलाउ फॉर द फीड the in the record in the computer system of the employees that are work in the organization. ठीक है. Next is inventory control system. These are the system or software developed by the programmer in which there is the related to your system. There we got the invoice or purchase order or printing or payment receipt. So student, in market when we purchase anything, you got the invoice. ठीक है, आपको एक invoice दिया जाता है, numbers of item, price per item, total item, this type of things. ठीक है. So this comes in inventory control system. Next is billing system. That is the software used by बिलिंग पर्पस. ठीक है. ऐसे है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ उनको बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर जिसमें उनको रिलेटेड टू परचेजिंग एंड हाउ यू हैव टू पे द बिल. ठीक है. जैसे यहाँ पे राइट किया गया है कि बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेट्स द ट्रैकिंग ऑफ टाइम एंड बिलिंग डाटा एंड क्रिएट्स कस्टमर इनवॉइस for server and products. It keeps the track of the record which contain invoicing and billing detail and product or services. Both the detail come in billing system. Invoice that the user got or client or customer got, and all the payments whatever done to that user or client. So student, this is all about our specific purpose software, because when we purchase this software for our organization, there no need to change most widely change. ठीक है. लेकिन जो आपका एक कस्टमाइज सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो यूज़र के रिक्वायरमेंट पे बना होता है, और जो स्पेसिफिक पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर है दैट इज ऐसा इस सॉफ्टवेयर को बनाया जाता है कि मोस्टली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसको यूज कर लें, जैसा कि लगभग उनको जो उस सॉफ्टवेयर में दिया गया होता है ऑनलाइन उनका उतना डिमांड होता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो बनाया जाता है, इसलिए इसमें कोई चेंजिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट इन user defined software, that is customized software, also called tailor made software or bespoke software, there according to the user requirement we create the software. ठीक है. इसलिए वो टाइम टेकिंग भी होता है and it take the more cost according to these types of software. So student, this is all about our different examples of software, general purpose and special purpose.